Hello! Today we will paint the shark. Let's paint together.
Hickory dickory
Blue
dock,
colors.
the mouse ran up the clock.
Please subscribe.
The mouse ran out. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Violet color.
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck 2. Away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick
Sky blue color.
tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck 3.
Do you know songs about sharks?
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick
Ready.
tock. Hickory dickory dock,
Let's to paint this
the bee
whale.
buzzed round the clock. She went to her high. Hickory dickory dock,
Sky blue
tick
color.
Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6.
Gray color.
Little 6. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock,
Ready.
tick tock, tick tock.
If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And goodbye for the next video.